Hi, this is Becky, and I am trying out my brand new Sony ZV1 camera here, and I am comparing it to my Google Pixel 3 over here. And I am just curious on how the sound is. I'm curious on how the picture quality is, and I thought I would just do a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to show you some items close up that I've been working on, some painted rocks, and we will see how quickly the cameras can adjust to those things, so that way we can get a fair view of how it may compare with each other. So here we go. Here is the first picture. Here is another rock that I created. All right, here is another one. This one is not sealed yet, but I'm very excited to see. It will be very nice when it is sealed up. Here is a cute little, what's a little mouse? Here's one more. I'm just curious on the quality, comparing the two side by side. So I can tell initially just looking at the two cameras going at the same time, the Sony does have a very good focus. Stick that up there and it focuses it very quickly. The Pixel, I feel like it's pretty good at focusing things, but it may not be as crystal clear as this. Look at how fast that goes. To me, to the item. To me, to the item. I'm so excited about this camera. It's going to be so much fun. Look at that. Neon colors. So fun. I'm just playing around, but I just thought it would be pretty fun checking out the audio. I have my Rode Video Micro mic attached. And I've got my lighting set up, and this is gonna be the area that I'm gonna be doing a lot of tutorials in. So if I did have to angle things down onto the work surface that I am working on, I'm just gonna do a little test here and see as I move things around how quickly it may focus. Let's see, make sure the camera is attached. I feel like that should be pretty good. Focusing on things there. You can kind of see what I'm doing here, right? And I believe with this camera, this part here does have a tilt, so I can always adjust as needed. So that's a great feature. And bring this one back here. Bring this up. On this one here, I bring my Google Pixel over on its stand. Those are the rocks that I've been working on. Some of them, I just haven't found the right place to hide them yet, like this little mouse. It'd be really cute to hide it in a place where it might scare some people. I just think he's so cute. So cute. I have both of them running at the exact same time, so that way I can get a pretty equal comparison on how they will be in the editing software. I currently use Windows, Microsoft Surface Pro 6, and so I do all of my editing on Movie Maker. It seems pretty good for someone who is not skilled in editing at all. This girl here. I did have to watch a couple YouTube videos to figure out how to do some of the basic things because I have zilch experience whatsoever when it comes to editing. But just by doing it, I am getting better and faster, and I learn every time. I've learned how to put some YouTube music into the editing software and how I can add captions, and maybe you'll notice that I have grown in editing videos. It's a process. Eventually, maybe I'll hire someone to do it for me. But for now, it works as I'm sitting on the couch watching TV or just sitting here. I don't know. Anyway, wow, if you have watched this far, you definitely should go check out some of these videos because they are way more interesting than me right now. But if you do enjoy following my channel, I definitely appreciate it. Be sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it or found anything helpful on it. And I just thank you and appreciate you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend some time with me. I was just working on editing some of the footage from filming with both cameras earlier today, and I could not believe the difference in the color quality that I could see. Sony is amazingly brighter, and I was just super impressed. And unfortunately, when I was moving the Sony back into its position, I think I must have hit the record button and turned off the recording, which I also noticed the sound quality. My son was upstairs and he was watching something on TV, and I could hear the TV through the pixel footage, and I could barely hear it through the Sony footage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little side-by-side comparison, and let me know in the comments what you think. Have a great rest of your day, and just keep creating. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Just be creative. All right, see you later. Bye. What is it called? I say a lot.